Aura S4T Soundbar. Main features are 7.1-channel Virtual Surround Bass MX Surround Soundbar. Ultimea Aura S4T is a budget-friendly 7.1-channel virtual surround sound system released in early 2026. It is designed to provide an immersive home theater experience using a combination of a main soundbar, a dedicated subwoofer, and 4 additional surround speakers. Audio channels: 7.1 virtual surround sound utilizing Surround X technology for 360-degree audio coverage. Total power output: 330 watt to 350 watt peak power. Speaker configuration: 8 high-performance drivers in total, 3 in the main bar, 2 front surround speakers, 2 rear surround speakers, and 1 subwoofer. Subwoofer: upgraded 5.25-inch wired subwoofer featuring Bass MX technology for deeper low-end frequencies. Connectivity: supports HDMI ARC, Bluetooth 6.0 for low-latency wireless streaming, optical, aux, and USB. Vocal matrix algorithm: intelligently extracts and redistributes vocals across rear channels to maintain clarity without losing ambient sound. Ultimea Smart App allows for extensive customization, including a 10-band EQ and 121 preset EQ matrices. Wireless rear pairing: while the front surrounds connect via cables, the rear speakers feature wireless pairing to reduce living room clutter. Special modes: includes 6 tailored EQ modes: movie, music, voice, sport, game, and night. The movie mode uniquely allows you to reduce or mute vocals specifically from the surround speakers for a cleaner soundstage.